If you're wondering how you can download and install GCam on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone, then tap on the search bar over here and just search this. Then open this website, and from here just tap on download now. Then tap on Google Camera 9.6, and under the download link section just select download for Xiaomi and Asus phones. Now to download GCam, just tap on this specific link over here. As you can see, this is the link. Now just wait for a few seconds for your GCam file to download. Then tap on open. Then select download, install or update. After that, just tap on open. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the GCam app on our Redmi 15C. Just like that. And you can find all your recorded photos and videos in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can download and install GCam on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.